Hey y'all, it's Ty and welcome to another episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. Before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. It really helps out this channel a lot. But we got a really good one in store for you today. On this trip, my wife and I went out for our anniversary chasing some big topwater smallmouth in a tiny little creek. And I'm just gonna let the rest of the video do the talking. Thanks for watching. We'll see you out on the water.
Just put a brand new treble hook on this bad boy. And we got one. Oh. All right, there you go. First topwater smallmouth of the day. You leave it. Tank loves chasing them in the water. Leave it. There you go. Mer says, get it.
It's shallow, I can see the rocks.
That doesn't mean there's not fish there. Oh!
Golly! I need to set my drag.
You need to tighten your drag, eh?
Yeah.
That was a good fish. I think I got that blow up.
Set on gill. No, it's set on elephant. Get him?
I got one. I don't know if it's the same one. It's not a bad fish.
That's a decent.
Yeah, that's a decent fish. Fight hard on 8-pound test. He's hooked kind of sideways too. Whoa! Still drag ripping. This could have been the same one. No, that's very quality, very fat. I think. That's a nice, I don't know, probably 12 and a half, 13. But thick. Thick boy. On the grasshopper plapper. Leave it. He still sees it. Yeah. All right.
The thing is, even if you told him release, he still couldn't catch it.
Yeah. Oh no, he wouldn't even come close. He can catch him on the way from the hand of the water though. He's done that. Oh, that's money. Oh, that was too big of a pop.
Dave, come here.
Was not too big of a pop. Dude, this is not a bad fish either. Dude, this one's big. This one like might be worth turning the camera around for. On the top water plopper. Is he hooked funny? He's hooked kind of funny, but he's not small. He's bigger than the last one. Nice. Leave it.
Come. Hey, come.
Oh, he's so angry.
Hey, come. No. You come here. Come. Come. Take.
These things fight so hard. Oh, he's fine. Oh, let's see if I can get him. I don't want to break my rod or my line. He's... Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Bump board real quick just to see. Oh yeah. That's 15 and a quarter. Nice. All right. There we have a gorgeous 15-inch small creek topwater smallie. Let's get it back. All right, there we go. Tank, leave it. Leave it. Hey! That was a poor attempt at a recast. Dang it. That was a good blow up. Nice.
Catch dog. Oh, he's gonna catch dog.
Tank, leave it.
No. Get it?
Yeah.
Stay. Stay, come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
It's not a bad fish.
We're gonna use splash me. Not only do cock block.
I didn't cock block.
You splish me.
You were fishing over here. I just cast it up into the sunny stuff. All right, I had lost, now I cut my shirt, but I had lost my pliers. I found them. Here's a fish. Hey, you stay. Sit. Sit. Stay. You leave it. There it goes. Up towards Mur. You see it, Mur? It was so close. It was like 5 feet away from you. All right, let's catch another. This is, oh, there's, look. Gosh, they kind of look like, are they just red horse?
I don't see no red on them though.
Dude, look at all of them.
I know. There was a shit ton
There's a
back there.
pile of them. They're big. There's some, they just keep coming. Tanks kicking them up, I think.
What?
Cast that. Cast this. Cast to the shoreline.
Puree.
Oh, that's fish all day, Mur. Oh,
Oh, come on.
stop it. Stop it. Now twitch. Got him.
Alright.
That a girl? You kind of,
Good advice.
you understand how it works a little bit now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a nice fish. I think you got him hooked good too.
Well, we're about to find
How many
out.
times did he swing at it? 3? Oh, that's a nice bass. That's a nice fish. You want me to land it or you want to land it? That's a nice one, Mur.
I think I got him hooked okay. I think I can make
It's a nice fish.
Hey now!
That's a nice fish. Honey, that's a giant.
I don't want to put my rod in the water.
Honey, that's a giant. It's not a giant, but that's a giant. Honey, that's big. All right.
Dog's just tootling by.
We're not going to close the mouth because I'm going to keep a hold of it. But we're touching 16 and a half. Yeah, that's 16 and a half all day. That is a pig, Mur.
Got her?
Yeah, we're going to get a picture of you with it, though. God,
Look at me actually listening
look at the
to it.
colors on that thing, though. That is gorgeous.
Oh, bent the hook.
I bent the hook. I can bend it back for you. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. There it is. I'm sorry.
It's Allie.
Did you
what?
did you at least watch it swim away?
I did. Fine. Where's your pliers? Bend my hook back. Or are you gonna bite it?
I'll just use mine.
That's kind of scary for the lure.
Is that a smallmouth right there?
Sure looks like it.
Sure does look like it. Well, I'm sorry, honey. I blew it. Dude, that hook set though. That was a good fish, honey. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Nice job. That was a good blow up. He's angry. Nice. There you go. Nice.
He swam under tank.
There he goes. Let me bend those hooks back for you. No wonder you missed that frickin' one. That's on me. Oh my God, you got him? No, oh. See, he took it way down.
Yeah.
Wow. Get back out there, eh? Holy shnikes.
Never felt him.
He took it.
I stopped.
I know, he took it down. You should have. You didn't know he had it, but he had it.
I never felt him.
That was a blow up. Holy shnikes.
Now I'm around the tip.
Wonder if he likes your color more than mine. Nope, nope. Got him. I was fouled. Nice fish. Nice fish.
Keep your GoPro over there. Don't mind my cookery.
Oh. Oh, got that hook out. All right, there's a nice 12 inch or so. That was fun. There he goes. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Nice. That was a good blow up. Good fish?
Yeah.
Keep bent on him. So do you want my help to blow this one or not? You might need to loosen up your drag. Those hooks aren't great. Keep him upstream.
He's already downstream.
Yeah, I know. You're awesome. This is a nice fish. He was fighting upstream, giving you drag, wasn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a gorgeous fish. That's a gorgeous fish.
Oh no. Get out of there. Get out of there. Hang on, let go of it.
No. Shh.
Don't
got
you
him.
even.
That's a giant, too. This one's just as big, Murd. This one might be 17 inches. How do you catch all the giants? Skill?
No.
No? What is it then? Nice.
I was gonna put it in the water. Stay. Stay.
There he goes. Oh, went under the rock.
I think I hit my pole in the water.
I didn't see him come out the other side. There's a lot of water underneath that rock, huh? He was trying to break you off on it.
Yeah.
Do you think he was bigger or smaller than the last one?
I didn't get a little less. I don't know.
I think that one was at least 16 just now. That's awesome. Well done, baby. Happy anniversary, eh?